guys, this is Eric from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. In this week video, I'm going to share my past experience before you learn the lesson. Alright. Okay, so once again, people ask me, hey Eric, you like to short the market, you like to sell. Why don't you buy long the market? Right? In the past, I long and short, okay, plenty of trades in a day. I realized that, when I started to long, then I got confused whether it's a retracement pullback or a reversal. That is something. Then I've got myself very confused. So when I do the selling, once again, the confusion comes in, okay? So yeah, I'm not very good in trading at that point of time. I was like, I always got myself so confused about the directions, about the action, about the situations, all many shins that you can think of. All right, it's so complicated. The complication there, All right, so in this trading journey, all right, I realized every trader have their potential in the direction, whether they are buying or they are selling. All right, for me, I'm not going to talk about anyone who are potential or my potential, but I just want to talk about how well you understand, how well you can trade in a particular sentiment of the market. All right, so why do I sell? All right, so let me quote an example. Let's say today, all right, if I'm holding a share, let's say Apple share, all right, let's say Google, all right. So one fine day, when I heard about the news that Google is not going to hire any more employees and not going to take in any more manpower, does that mean they are expecting a recession? So they are trying to hedge. So they are trying to stay away, cut down their expenses. So that means to say the recession is coming. Oh, this little action, all right, that actually will tremble the market and the whole stock market will start to shake, correct? Oh my God, recession is coming, am I right? So when I think that way, many people will think the same way, correct? So a lot of us will start to sell away our share and cash whatever we have. So the more people selling off, the share will dip deeper. Am I right? All right. So in this case, we are talking about human sentiment. All right, human sentiment. When I heard a bad news, just a little bad news, will I sit down there and wait? I'm not referring to the big boys. I'm not referring to the hardcore investor like Mr. Warren Buffett. All right, I'm talking about retailer, right? Retail investor are all a timid cat. Do you agree with me? All right, just like me. So if I heard something, I'm going to encash. I'm going to sell off my share and encash. All right. So more people will start to follow the trend, and the share price will start to drop deeper, and drop deeper. Correct? So as you can see, in the forex currency market, when we are selling the currency, first of all, of course, you have to identify is there a trend starting to sell, which will attract more seller, coming in to sell together with you. And when the volume comes in, the trend comes in, you start selling. Am I right? So that is also means that the market is actually running basing on not just economy, also human sentiment. When people don't feel confident about that particular currency, they start to sell away, that means something went wrong. Yes, something went wrong. So when I say something went wrong, or some big boy says something went wrong, everybody will start selling like crazy, But do you still remember 2008, we experienced a very terrible economic turmoil. Until 2010 until 2015 until 2018 until today. When you ask people, do you think the market has recovered from 2008? Many people will tell you, I'm not sure. I'm still waiting for the good opportunity to buy shares and stocks, you know. I'm still waiting. You know, they are unsure when the market is actually escalating, is growing, the economy is growing over the years since 2008. Although we experienced one period of time of the recession, of the economy turmoil we experienced before, but in fact, since 2012, about 2011 to 2012, we have already started to grow, but the market don't feel it. The market don't feel it. The retail trader don't feel it. Everyone was like, are you sure? Are you sure? Feeling a lot of doubts. They have a lot of doubts when people are telling, yes, the market is growing. You should buy stocks. You should buy shares. You should do some investment. But a lot of people are like, are you sure? Are you sure? I'm not very keen yet. You know, until the era comes in with Forex trading is so popular, you know, around, you know, in 2010, 2011, then started to have Bitcoin coming in. I don't believe this, I don't believe that, you know, this is a scam, or this is what, and a lot of things. Why don't you buy stocks? Are you sure the market is going good? No. From 2010 all the way until 2020 when the COVID come. When the COVID come, COVID-19 actually followed on us, then people start to see that, wow, things start to change. A lot of things are starting to get expensive. Inflation is coming. How come the share price keep rising, keep going up, and people are rushing in? Oh yeah, this is the right time. Oh yes, I go in and buy. You know, they keep buying, but they don't know this is the wrong time. Can I say so? I cannot say that that is the wrong time. I cannot say that this is the wrong time to buy. But do you understand what I'm trying to tell you? Since 2010 to 2020 is 10 years. And within these 10 years, people are still holding the fear of 2008 because of the Lehman Brothers. Alright? Then people are like, are you sure? There's a lot of doubts. When market is actually improving, recovering, they have doubts. But when we actually leak out a little bit of bad news, oh my god, the world is ending, I'm going to sell away all my share. I want to sell away all my share, you know. This is terrible. You get what I mean? Retail traders are always like that. Am I right to say that? So you see, that's why when I start selling, the selling go faster than the buying. Do you agree with me? Alright, I don't know, okay, but of course this is just a personal thoughts and opinion. But when I realize when the selling come in the trend, it sells pretty fast. Alright, of course when the buying come, it depends on which currency that we are trading with, which can happen to be a cross pair. It will not work. So guys, this is why I sell the market, I short the market in Forex currency, but I don't short the market in stock, I don't short other things, okay? I only sell in the Forex market. So give it a thought, give yourself a thought. The story that I just mentioned, I just told you, are we retail trader that falling into the category of when there's a little bad news leak off, we were like, holy, where's my money? Or when the market is improving, are we still in the doubt of, are you sure? Are you sure? Alright, so give it a thought. Which category do you belong to? Then you will trade better, trust me. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, it's just a sharing over here, alright, from my personal thoughts for this video. Right, so I hope you like this video by giving me a small token of appreciation by clicking the like button, subscribe, and ring up the bell. Thank you so much guys, and this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you next week. See you.